Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today is Sunday and I'm going to show you guys how to do some chicken quarters using the Weber and the Vortex accessory that's made for the Weber. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. I'll show you what these chicken quarters come out, you know, doing it this method. Check it out. Wanted to show you guys what the weather is like out here in Central Florida. We got this massive cold front, I guess, crossing the nation, and in a lot of places it's causing a lot of snow. Well, down here in Central Florida, we got a lot of rain. My grass needs it, that's for sure. If you guys can see my backyard, yeah, that's what my backyard kind of looks like. You know, it needs the rain, but that ain't stopping me. If you look over on this side, I brought my Weber in so I can fry up some chicken so we can eat. And I'm using my Weber Vortex, and I'm gonna do some some chicken quarters. So let me show you what I got going on. I got the Weber Vortex fired up with some Kingsford Originals in it, and I'm gonna put a little piece of cherry wood in it to give these chicken quarters a little bit of flavor, a little bit of smoke flavor to it. But let me show you what this Vortex is looking like. It doesn't take long to get this Vortex fired up. Once you got it filled in there with those Kingsford, and you got you a little Weber cube or a little starter log, you know, it'll start it right up. And all I do with the piece of cherry, I just put it right on top, and around here is where I'm going to put the chicken quarters. I already got the chicken seasoned up, and put a little bit of my J.P.BBQ on it as a base layer. You know, and this is the J.P. Licious rub that you see on this chicken. So what I like to do first is spray down this grill grate with a little bit of Pam. That way it doesn't stick. Ooh, that looks pretty, don't it? Alright, and just start putting the chicken quarters all along the side. Got me some nice big pieces. Went to the store today and watch yourself. Got some chicken quarters. We're just gonna place them all around our grill grate, just like that. So, you know, a couple hours, we'll have some nice chicken, or maybe less than an hour, nice chicken quarters, you know, to eat on. Let's take a look at this chicken, see what it's looking like. It's only been in there for a couple of minutes. Ooh, yes sir. These cherry wood smoldering up nice. They're looking good. Gotta cover it back up, because you know what they say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. I got the bottom vent wide open, and I'm controlling the temperature with the top vent. So I got it roughly maybe half, you know, to maybe less than half. And I want to show you what the temperature in there is right now. It's getting up there. That Weber Vortex, or not a Weber Vortex, but the Vortex for the Webers, it just sends that heat up into the dome, and it just indirects it back down on top of the food. So it does a really good job. I really like cooking with it. But right there, look at that, 450 degrees. Not too shabby. I just want to show you guys the power of the Vortex. Woo! Rain's coming down, I'm under the tree. But hey, we don't let the weather stop us. Check this out. Current temperature of my chicken, 138 degrees. And I have these vents just barely open, you know, just cracked open. And look at what temp it's putting out, 400 degrees. That Vortex just funnels the heat, and it radiates it throughout this Weber. You know, I don't sell the Weber, I don't sell the Vortex, but if you don't have one for yours, you're missing out on something spectacular, guys. Let's take a look at this chicken anyway. Ooh, that looking good. Let's cover it back up. It's getting there. Where our chicken has reached an internal temperature of 181 degrees, I'm gonna mop a little bit of my barbecue sauce on it, and
and let it go for maybe a few more minutes before we do a taste test on it. Let me show you what I'm using.
I'm gonna be using my J.P. Licious sauce on it. I'm gonna mop it on here. And let's take a look at this chicken, see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Look at that little piece of cherry wood just withered down. And we'll get this a little bit closer. And just gonna mop this barbecue sauce right on there. Oh man, it's gonna give it a good looking color. Share a little bit over on this one. This one looks like it's like saying, hey, you put some sauce on me too. All right, that's really about it. We'll get these bad boys sauced up and they'll be ready to eat. The sauce is gonna give it a nice looking color as well. So you guys stay tuned. I'll show you what they look like. They look great already, don't they? Look at that. Yes, sir.
So by the sounds of it, chicken has hit an internal temperature of 187. So we were only shooting for 185, and it's already at 187. Let's take a look at this chicken, see what it looks like.
Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That J.P.BBQ with that J.P. Licious rub on it, and then put in the J.P. Licious sauce. Oh my gosh, this is chicken perfection.
So the chicken is done, guys. Time to give it a little taste test, see what it comes out like, and it looks good. I'm doing all the video on my iPhone, and it still looks like it got plenty of juice in it. We're gonna take a bite into it, see what it comes out like. Mmm. 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 Oh, wow. Woo. Mm. That is good. Oh, man. A little piece of this skin. Mm. That's good stuff, guys. Skin just came right off. Take a bite of this it don't need nothing else. It's good to go. Man. Ooh, man, that's good stuff. I'm gonna quit eating in front of you guys. But man. Woo. That J.P.BBQ with that J.P. Licious and the sauce on top of it. Fantastic, guys. Came out really, really good. Let me show you my products one more time. That's what I use. That's the rub. This is my J.P.BBQ. It's an all-purpose base layer that I use. You don't have to use this, but if you want a little bit salt, pepper, garlic on top of your stuff, you know, it's a good rub to add as a base layer, but good flavor in it. But besides that, guys, this is it for my video. I'm shooting everything on my iPhone. It was raining quite a bit here in Central Florida, and I still wanted to do some barbecue. But besides that, if you like what I'm doing here, guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there on the side, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, of course, and you know that I appreciate you guys very much for watching my videos. But it's time to eat, time to let the family eat, and I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you on the next cookout. Take care.